Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors. On my Mac display, I have been seeing this window for past couple of hours already. Updating Parallels tools, please wait 100%. You might experience a situation like that on your computer too. So in this video, I'm gonna simply run few tricks and that will fix the situation. So first of all, what we're gonna do, as I always do, I will go ahead and kill this process. Click on the second option from the left side top corner next to Apple icon. That should be probably Windows 10 or 11, and then click on Quit Windows 11. So we are done here. Now in the dock, Parallels is still open. Go ahead and click on the Apple icon left side top corner, then click on Force Quit, and we are going to force quit Parallels desktop. Let's hope it is already taken care. Now I will go ahead and bring up Parallels again, and let's see how it is going to react to it now. And the window is still there. It did not go away. So the trick number one, force quit, did not fix the problem. Now let's try something else. I'd like to go ahead and restart this Parallels. So I'm going to go ahead and click on yes. Next thing, I'll click on action, and I will click on reset and say yes. Bingo, we are in the business right there. Once again, what you have to do is go to actions at the left top corner and click on reset. That's what you have to do in order to make it work. Now let's go ahead and quit this again. Open it again, and let's see if it is going to go normal, or we are going to still see that same. No, we are in the business. I see all my icons restored and everything is pretty much normal. So this is it in this video. If you're also experiencing this situation when your Parallels that got stuck on the update window on your Mac, you go ahead and try these few tricks. If you have found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, thank you for watching Crazy Editors. I'll see you in the next one.